Hello friends, this is Sokcham Rajat Singh, Sapphire Executive in Viva Health Sciences Bangalore. So guys, network marketing or multi-level marketing is considered as the most viable alternative for a person to become an entrepreneur. Or natragana any me amada magi alternative source of income ohenba. Current source of income labor target so without disturbing any current source of income though disturb the alternative income way many people having negativity, many people having wrong concept mayam like public ta karigino hairagadi hana lagiba khoi concepts induna Ponzi scheme, money chain sugumba mayam money investment scheme mayam laibase and plus saying na haragadi main why kaido bagino mayam na negativity na tragana career simple yai have na khangrise haragadi why the main primary reason kana like mahambada akogi any company hana le number industry company mayam poor sustainability se oiba company lakani aduga mangini chatkini kaigini suguma mayam poor sustainability se me ngonda public ta amna wrong concept na the misguide to birama and amasung ani suguna sustain oiraga leiraga su fazana work toraga chahi tara ama leiraga su it's good only for the customer but not for the distributor. Customer singide akogi product sing do fadana or customer sing the use toba adu distributor singide work tawjariba career ni profession ni haraga changaga tawjariba work tawjariba distributor singi makoina tawriba matam mangeba effort thadariba mayam duga phangaiba chang duga manadaba taragadi equal oidaba taragadi definitely misguide natraga wrong concept chakiba tabani sida any network marketing company ma natraga MLM company amagi main key component se kanano elements se haragadi direct seller du distributor to the aduna main component oriba element oriba distributor to the magi famam topa or natragana mana effort thadariba chang duga equal oiraga phangdaba taragadi definitely akoi the misconcept you on the misconcept kiba natragana career simple the kai natragana paisa mangi sugum mayam sinse sigi main reason primary reason ni and I just point kara katan share taroke mayam da haibadi kari gida makta no mayam da misconcept ta chali se misguide tawraga mi public da lana chali se kai do bagino haragadi first I know ji haijagi batuni and second thing da akoi ki compensation plan se haibadi income system se many company la aga change tawba haibadi company ama sida chahi ani ni so because of this reason me mayam na negativity lom chatba negative lom da hojiki haibadi reason se and here I am standing industry wa ke do bagi to do no have the name hojik mayam share to do se so say na haragadi industry wa da in terms of 50,000 of people working Manipur da kota 50,000 of people consumer ka plus akoi career or professional and sang su mayam yauri so why ke do bagi no haragadi industry wa is reliable at the same time viable equal reliable and viable opportunity to share the way it's in every distributor kudimakta. So history of industry wa haragadi industry wa established in 2014 January 2014 established during 2014 gadi network marketing industry India ki network marketing industry the tremendous challenges mayam legiba matam ne 2014 se haibadi especially 2011 12 13 14 since matam da yamna wagiba bai Ponzi scheme money scheme yam khalakna maram oiraga police ne attack tawba money scheme Ponzi scheme kanguda or company me amasu already change ki basu mayam yauri matam da adugo 2000 lureba tanza suda industry has taken part in 2014 January 2014 possibility hadi in any company ma hoto bagi possibilities se yamna nearba worst possibilities later matam da industry se hoto ki bani matam da many companies fazana niyam suna rent of the company mayam su close da gane change ki basu mayam yauri yamna lureba tanza suda media were against the government ki agency mayam se against the law and enforcement things against laiba luraba yam thina luraba yamna problem oiraba tremendous abagi challenges thina matam da industry was a form that given in January 2014 it is so clear that the company has a sufficient immunity to overcome all the odds akoi baseline da kadda it is so clear baseline da ka hai industry wa beyond 21st century akoi head office so already clearly mentioned industry wa haraga beyond 21st century harabani sisina all adi along clear oirabani beyond 21st century amatam do akoi kattagi natte akoi generation book like kini haibadani so completely clear oire sida koi viability aure adegi sustainability aure adegi koi survivability aure sigma sinse darkar loi any particular organization which is measure concern for the people while choosing for the career option and it cannot be considered as a instant money making program akona kai dong da money making to kadabane na khabi gano khanba su ya de sida associate with the right company is very important. So Indus Viva is fully integrated company. Integrated hai all our product are manufactured by Indus Viva and researched by Indus Viva. Sini yamna important oiba. Many company mayam of the way doesn't have a single product for manufacture to the mayam lay product na cham lay gani masagi ba own manufacture product to the ngata. Sini yamna do sing har take one product, take out one product and check out the product who manufactured that product. Any selection to matam the sugma se mun na yeng biyo. Sina akhoi Indus Viva ki parent company Bioactive Japan and Olive Life Sciences. Sima ko is the same company the atopa company nati same we are one. 2014 the established our have one. 2014 the background the kari like have the same company parents company the same amatani. See and akhoi medicinal plants all the medicinal plant are cultivated by us. From the cultivation to the raw material for research and development, manufacturing, marketing, say all done by Indus Viva platform itself. Pull up say Indus Viva not by any other people or any other company. So adu number price say still constant. All our price, all our product price are still constant. 2014 again housing 2015 forward the sahi daruk shita chap manaba price 3,100 so housing lady. After the monetization chakram matungda chain gi maman henkatle petrol gi maman henkatle hawai changwai maman low henkatle henkatle day but our product price is still constant. And our product is value for the money. Product say value do like bagi paisa do gi value do product se yaw bagi damakta mi mayama ma praja mayama na season nabi. Loki bagangu amuka hana adum lawe Facebook da Instagram da or lockdown laira basifa da many people are consuming preventive healthcare or number moraka mi mayam ma season ai mi khara kapna de in terms of many people many in terms of lakhs of people are consuming. So our company is doing extremely well. Market se da akhoi acceptance mayam na lai season gi bagangu continuously fazana season na bi akoi na guideline fazana dawraka. So and all our product are clinically validated and scientifically study have been conducted. Even health sector products all our product are clinically validated. Clinically trials in Selwina clinical trials and scientifically studies products in Sigi. And product all our product are certificate IUS certificate fungi. All our product are IUS certification from the IUS department, Ministry of Health certificate written like 2014 dagi na house power the product same price ni product price same PV same retail profit loina chap mane. So that is the beauty of the industry, beauty of Indus Viva. So and compensation plans remain same for the last 6 years. Many company often change so mayam yawe. But the industry the compensation plans still remain same for the last 6 years. For the last again, change the so very important. See, and in the marketing industry, the career or another professional this whole thing you must know. And not only India. Network marketing ke motherland how to ropa network marketing secret how to roke USA United States of America how to ropani yamna low graba yamna competitive hoira but jaga se da history da India ki history da ahan ba network India ki network marketing ahan ba USA da chang se ngam ni se kai do bagi no because of the compensation plan amasung akoi ki product sina America ki missing so many people many our product win the heart of many people. Our product win the heart of many people in the USA, even Nepal da inaugurate the way Nepal say recently 2 years back that Indus Viva inaugurate the way yamna luraba vein illegal loiba jaga amada yadraba do changaga was already fully operated oil kai do bagi no sina already clearly taabani sida ponzi scheme natraga money scheme natraga mi mangba ki subject mi mangba oiba yaba amata yaudi have the look at the maktani Nepal na so accept the any narrow marketing industry of the Changba Yadu Nepal, we are accepted. Siguma Mayam Singsi. Then Chamarana, South Africa, step by step, every country is Kong Tanzania. So still our company remains zero deaf company. Many companies Mayam don't but deaf like but we are still zero deaf company. So financial health of the company is very important. And Mapandagidi Fazaba, Mapandagidi very okay taba, Adabu Manum Dadi Adabo it can collapse at one point of time. So we should be very careful. Any me among network marketing industry ma choose to matam they should be very careful. Everything is surroundings and most importantly we corporate the lady staff saying corporate the family staff saying we have our own company ke secretary lay they get chartered account lay job IT professional lay they job logistic lay they tax expert lay sugumba for company so what they changa ko sumyam yawe makoi career or same as industry sina tapadi we see any good company need good employee in order to take it to a better height. So the moina changa ga sida prof mo chu work whole mo career na changi ni so IT professional may am sisu sida adana tapadi listen to the main view. Company itself having vision to first listed company in India in the country. And most importantly, industry shares will be traded in the stock exchange in 2024. City company vision stock exchange 2024 and she all target mayam lady lot of vision mayam lady and mayam na hena khangat ba amadi khangsu khangam basu yai in the year 2018 19 financial year the industry turnover say 273 crore. Just within 5 years, the 273 crore turnover say in the history of network marketing in India. India ki history the ahan bane. Just chahi manga given the 273 crore turnover say and next year 2019 ka 20 ka dalam kita way 19 ka 20 ki turnover na taba 19 ka 20 ka ki distributors in the incentive P say distributors in the income P say mamang say ki turnover 273 the ki hele incentive na adu no the turnover the kya waram gani. So guys, this all akoi na khangdaba yada problem ni aina sida industry ba pungta tharak adum ba game tan nate dabu sida many people lives mayam changed away India dagi plus even from Manipur unemployment issues like even mayam sing say sida kitang do se kwan banga me kitang do se masam sai ba career free the yum da leiba natraga na game sanaraga leiba natraga na sum mayam ima baba lady haibagi komthok pa like mayam lei na mayam youth mayam adugi mohta at least work culture thamba akoi sin achum si matam sida paisa tamba yabagi paisa se kamai tawgadagi savings se kamai tawgadagi haibudo kitang do su sida educate tawbani or kana ba mayam lawani sida sena hagade sida industry ba join tawgiba industry sida join tawba mi chahi ahum pharaba mi amatang patopiro and sida oidi haibo maximum ayam mana kada oida basu mayam yawi sida just product decision naga lawraga to ki basu yawi habadi work tawma tamda sida han bagi chahi sidi at least mi kudimanga si thabak tawraga hayeng hekta paisa paini crorepati oini habadi khabiganu at least basic habam foundation habam changi habadi system se never hamba koi consider life ta anuba subject amo na network marketing habse kari no in live discussion me am changi khangjal bak changi adu second year da akoi gi lady ba masai gi system se build tawadam ne adu matang ne matang financial se la kadure se aduna tabada khase akoina join tawga hapta mani tha mani work tawraga ai khangna chana ba hairaga yara train to ki ba it's not my cup of tea hara to ki ba sing smart tawga nate sincerely we should understand network marketing has a future the akogi lagade ba generation se ta kayam kana ga de kayam support tawga de ga ba do akoina ubam thoe so all